Hi everyone, today I am going to be making Tokyo-style Ozoni. I am introducing how to make delicious vegan Japanese cuisine using fermented food each week on this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss my new videos. In Japan, we eat Ozoni on New Year's Day. Ozoni has a history of about 1500 years. It is said that rice cakes, taro, carrots, radishes, etc. offered to God were boiled in water drawn from wells and rivers at the beginning of the year and on the first fire of the new year, and ate on New Year's Day. When eating osechi and ozoni, use both tabled chopsticks called celebration chopsticks. This represents eating with God, one used by humans and the other used by God. Ozoni is a sacred food that you eat with God. There are various types of ozoni all over Japan, but the one that always comes in is mochi rice cake. A long time ago, mochi was a precious food. We could only eat with God on New Year's Day. Today, I would like to introduce 100% plant-based ozoni in the Tokyo style. Ozoni in the Tokyo style is a simple bowl of clear soup with square mochi rice cake and vegetables. Because there are few ingredients, we have to make delicious soup stock. It's very easy to make Shojin dashi, the Japanese vegan dashi. Let's make it together. Ingredients: First, I will explain how to make kombu soup stock. First, put the kombu kelp in a clean container. By cutting the kombu kelp, it becomes easier to get the flavor. Kombu kelp and wakame seaweed are same seaweed, but be careful as you cannot remove the dashi stock with wakame seaweed. After about 10 minutes, take it out, cut with scissors taking 1 cm intervals and put it back in the container. By cutting the kombu kelp, it becomes easier to get the flavor. Second, store in the refrigerator overnight. Third, put water and kombu kelp in a pan, heat to 80 degrees on low heat, turn off the heat, and leave it until it slightly cools down. Turn off the heat when bubbles appear around the edges and the kelp start to float. This is to bring out the umami of kombu kelp and prevent the unwanted taste from coming out. The umami of kombu is extracted at low temperatures. This is because glutamic acid, which is the umami property of kombu, is fully extracted at 60 degrees Celsius and it becomes difficult to extract at 80 degrees Celsius or higher. Fourth, take out the kombu kelp and it's done. Use this kombu kelp soup stock to make ozoni soup. Put 600 ml of kombu soup stock in a pan and bring it to a boil. After seasoning with salt and lightly soy sauce, add shiitake mushrooms and simmer quickly. It's done. Fourth, prepare the ingredients. Ozoni in Tokyo always contains green leaves. The word becomes famous and green leaves are connected, meaning that you can become a famous person on the path you choose. I'm going to use spinach today. For spinach, pick the leaves, blanch them in boiling water and drop them in cold water. Take it out and place it on a piece of paper. Never squeeze it because it makes spinach smells like glass. Fifth, peel the taro thinly. After that, use a kitchen knife to shape it in a hexagonal column. When looking at it from above, this shape looks like a taro shell. Therefore, we pray for a long life like a taro by using this shape. In Japan, this is called a hexagonal pattern. It is a classic pattern used for celebration. Taro is slippery, so don't overdo it. The shaved taro is delicious when used in miso soup or cooked rice. Don't throw it away. Boil the taro in vinegar water and then pull it up. This will remove the slimy property and unpleasant taste of taro. In a small pot, add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce to 400 ml of Komb kelp soup stock and simmer until the taro is tender. Don't forget the otoshibuta. 6. Cut the carrots into plum shapes and boil them with taro until tender. 7th, bake the square mochi rice cake. By the way, square mochi rice cakes are used in the Kanto style and round mochi are used in the Kansai style. 8th, reheat the soup you just made. 9th, place all the ingredients in a bowl in a well-balanced manner. Pour the soup and it's done. I hope this information is useful to you. Please give it a try. I hope that many people will know the wonderfulness of Koji mode, which makes cooking delicious. I will continue to introduce Japanese fermented food and Shojin cuisine on my channel. I will tell you what kind of good work fermented foods have on our bodies and vegetable dishes using fermented food. I appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and share my channel with your family and friends. ありがとうございました。